Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about a phone that has literally turned the entire tech world upside down. And let me tell you right now, this is not your average smartphone. This is a device that looks like a smartphone from the front, but the moment you flip it over, you are greeted with a full-blown, professional-grade DSLR camera. Yeah, you heard that right. Now, imagine if that came with Nokia's legendary PureView DNA. What would that even look like? We are talking about the Nokia PureView 5G. Look, we've all seen phones with 200 megapixel cameras, triple cameras, quad cameras, you name it. But have you ever stopped to think, what if a company actually managed to cram a true DSLR sensor inside a phone? And not just any company, but Nokia, the same brand that started a photography revolution years ago with PureView. Sounds pretty wild, right? So stick around, because in this video, we're gonna dive deep into why the Nokia PureView 5G could flip smartphone photography on its head. Let's start. Design. Alright, let's kick things off with the design. The concept we're looking at here is nothing short of revolutionary. Seriously, in all my time covering tech, I've never seen anything like this. On the front, it looks like a sleek, modern smartphone. But the real magic, it's all on the back. The company has essentially split the rear of this phone into two distinct parts. Half of it is your standard smartphone, but the other half is a massive 500 megapixel DSLR camera module. This isn't one of those tiny little camera bumps. We're talking about a big, protruding lens, the kind you'd expect to see on a professional DSLR. Picture this. When you hold this phone, it feels like you're gripping a serious camera. Yeah, it's gonna have some weight to it, but that weight will scream quality and purpose. And we're not messing around with plastic or regular aluminum here. This thing is built with a magnesium alloy body, the same stuff high-end DSLRs use. It keeps the phone lightweight but incredibly tough. And to top it off, we're looking at an IP69 rating. That means dust and water are not a concern. You could be shooting in the middle of a downpour without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk about the grip. This phone is rumored to come with a dedicated camera grip, kind of like what we saw on the old Nokia Lumia days, but way more advanced. We're talking a dedicated shutter button, a zoom rocker, and a separate video record button. This isn't just a phone with a good camera, it's a professional camera that happens to be a phone. The camera setup. Okay, let's get into the soul of this device, that 500 megapixel DSLR camera. Now, this is where we gotta get a little technical, but I promise I'll break it down. This is no gimmick, this is Nokia's true PureView philosophy, over-engineered, overpowered, and absolutely insane. You've seen 200 megapixel phones, but 500 megapixels, paired with an actual DSLR sensor. This means the sensor itself is gigantic. We're talking larger than 1 inch, maybe even a micro 4/3 sensor. That's nearly 10 times bigger than what you find in a typical flagship phone. And as we all know, the bigger the sensor, the more light it captures. So what does that mean for you? It means you'll be taking crystal clear, noise-free photos that look like they were shot in broad daylight, even in the dead of night. That's what I call a real night mode. And then there's the zoom. With this many megapixels, you can zoom into a photo so deep that you'll catch details you never knew existed. Imagine taking a picture of a mountain range, and then zooming in to count the feathers on a bird sitting on a tree miles away. I'm not joking. 100x digital zoom is child's play. We're talking about a possible 200x digital zoom here. It's also said to feature dual aperture support, like f1.8 and f4.0. You can open up the lens for that creamy, professional background bokeh in portraits, or stop it down to get everything sharp in a massive landscape shot. And video, this thing is rumored to record in 16K. Yeah, 8K is old news. With 16K video recording, you could literally pull ultra-high quality photos straight from your footage. It's like having a screenshot button that actually delivers wallpapers. On the software side, imagine a supercharged version of Nokia's classic PureView features. We're talking real-time eye tracking, animal eye tracking, and AI-based scene detection. So whether you're a pro who wants full manual control or just a casual shooter, you're going to get jaw-dropping results every single time. The display. So, if you're capturing photos and videos this incredible, you're gonna need a screen that can do them justice, right? Well, the display is just as mind-blowing. We're looking at a massive 6.8-inch 4K HDR OLED panel. A 4K display makes sense because, well, you need it to truly appreciate that 16K footage. This screen will be capable of showing 1 billion colors, meaning you'll see every shade and hue exactly as it was meant to be seen. With a 144Hz refresh rate, everything is buttery smooth. Whether you're scrolling through your gallery, playing high-end games, or just browsing social media, it's all fluid and responsive. And peak brightness. This thing could hit up to 4500 nits. That means even under the scorching sun, you'll have no problem seeing your screen clearly. You could be editing your 500 megapixel photos outdoors without squinting. To protect this stunning display, it'll likely feature Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3, keeping it safe from those accidental drops and scratches. Performance. Now, a big question pops up. What kind of powerhouse do you need to process 500 megapixel photos, handle 16K video, and drive a 4K display? The answer is just as insane as the rest of the phone. At the heart of this beast would be the most powerful processor on the planet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. This chipset is specifically built for heavy AI tasks and next-level camera processing. Built on a 2nm architecture, it's not only incredibly fast but also power efficient. Paired with that, you'd get either 16GB or a whopping 24GB of LPDDR6 RAM, and storage options from 256GB up to 1TB of UFS 5.0. UFS 5.0 is so fast that you could copy massive 4K video files in seconds. This means you can store, edit, and share your huge media files without any hiccups. And to keep everything cool while you're gaming or editing hours of video, there's a massive vapor chamber cooling system. You could play PUBG at max HDR graphics or edit 4K footage for hours, and the phone will stay cool to the touch. Battery and charging. With this kind of powerful hardware, you need a battery that can keep up. And it doesn't disappoint. We're talking about a massive 7500 mAh battery. With normal use, this thing could easily last you 2 full days. Even if you're a heavy user, shooting photos, editing videos, gaming, you'll comfortably make it through a full day without hunting for a charger. And charging, it's just as impressive. The phone is rumored to support 120-watt super fast charging, which could juice it from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. Wake up, plug it in, and by the time you're ready to leave, you're at 100%. Plus, you'll get 50-watt wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging, so you can top up your earbuds or even your friend's phone on the go. Software and other features. One of the best things about Nokia phones has always been their clean software experience. This phone would ship with stock Android 16, pure Android, no bloatware, no unnecessary apps. But it will also come with Nokia's exclusive PureView camera suite, giving you that professional DSLR-like manual control right out of the box. Nokia has also been known for solid software support, so you could expect 3 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches. That means your phone stays fresh, fast, and secure for years to come. Price and launch date. Now, let's get to the million-dollar question, literally. With all this tech, how much is it going to cost? Alright, let's be real. This is a concept phone right now. It's an idea, but if it ever becomes a reality, this isn't going to be a budget device. With that insane DSLR sensor, magnesium alloy build, 4K display, and flagship everything, the price is going to be in the ultra-premium stratosphere. If you look at current ultra-premium flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or the iPhone 16 Pro Max, they hover around the $1,600 to $1,800 range. But the tech inside this Nokia concept is on another level entirely. So, estimates suggest that if this phone were to launch, it could be priced around $2,200 to $2,400. I know, that sounds like a lot. But remember, you're not just buying a phone, you're buying a phone and a professional-grade DSLR camera combined. A solid DSLR body with a good lens can easily cost you $2,000 or more. So, if you look at it from that angle, the price almost makes sense. And the launch date, for now, it's just a concept. But tech insiders believe that Nokia is actively working on something like this. We might see a prototype or a real teaser by late 2026 or early 2027. And if all goes according to plan, a commercial launch could happen by the end of 2027. So, what do you guys think? How does this Nokia PureView 5G concept sound to you? Do you think Nokia can come back and make a splash like this? Let me know in the comments below, would you pay this kind of money for a phone like this? Or is it just too crazy?